FSR stock is rallying within a longer term downtrend. Yesterday, the 25th of April 2023, it gained around 80%. Today, it is up 21.63% on above average volume of more than 20 million shares and counting. The price also crossed above its 50-day moving average at some point in this session, but it's now slightly below that moving average on its daily chart. So the company indicated today that European regulators have certified its Fisker Ocean SUV. That means the company plans to begin deliveries to European customers on the 5th of May, which is just next Friday, and aims to deliver all Ocean ones to Europe by the end of September. So that's the news behind this rally, probably the news behind the rally of yesterday. So these are the SUVs I believe that they may be delivering to Europe. These are the SUVs. Okay, so on the chart we have on its 1 minute live chart, it's just slightly below its probably one of its most extreme upper projection of $6, and after that we have upper projection of 6.09. but there are indeed downward projections. It's been rallying for this is the second straight session of gains for the stock, so expected to maybe cool off a bit or move sideways. So the most extreme downward projection on this daily chart is at 5.79. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see, get an idea of what things are like there. Okay, so there's a downward projection of 5.52. there's also an extreme downward projection of 4.11, yet there are also upper projections all the way towards 9.21. but we might also complete the picture by also looking at the weekly chart. Let's get the figures here. We have 9.21 as the most extreme. Okay, 9.21. we have also just slightly below is 5.55. okay, let's see the weekly charts. So let's see what we have there. On the weekly chart we have 6.49. yes, and also there's 6.49. okay, so this is also pretty much in line with what we have on the daily chart. So yes, it has yet more projections all the way towards 25.3, 25.24. The next upper projection is 6.49. there's also a $9 and some fraction in play. 9.21 as well is pretty much in play. So there's some unison between the daily chart and the weekly chart for Fisker. So let's return again to the 1 minute live chart and see how things are going. Yes, this is how things are going on the 1 minute live chart. So it has a support of 5.84 and upper projection of all the way towards 6.25. there's no guarantee that's going to happen. I would say expect the stock to pull back, to correct from these 2 straight days of gains. Okay, so Fisker has been cleared by European regulators to deliver its SUVs to customers there. See what you make of it. What would it say? What can we say? What are the projections? Let's see projections. I would say, yeah, down projection we have to say 5.85 maybe, and maybe afterwards it may continue towards 6.26 or may not. Okay, the bearish trend is or the downward trend is still very much in effect. There's every likelihood that it may still continue to be the case. So at some point we have seen it trade above, even rest sufficiently, spend some days above its 50-day moving average, but ultimately returned and continue to trend downwards. So see what you make of FSR stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.